Hello everyone, and welcome back to Be Successful, your favorite development channel, the place where you always leave smarter than you came. Today we will talk about Fixxfi, a project with real potential, developed on the Elrond Network blockchain. Fixxfi introduces an innovative service to the market, with the possibility to pay for repairs at any Fixxfi partner through an app-based solution. All this is possible through the partnership of Fixxfi with Solaris Bank, which has its main office in Germany. Fixxfi is a very mixed team, founded by an Irishman, Andrew, and an Italian, Fabio. Two forward-thinking businessmen who saw a tremendous opportunity in this field because of Fixxfi's philosophy. They are a fintech disruptor who wants to move to the next level in Web3, reducing the off-chain, on-chain divide and making blockchain an integral part of the ecosystem. Their goal is to create an integrated ecosystem of solutions and services that complement Fixxfi by enhancing the user experience and offering more features to the user. The problems that Fixxfi wants to solve have a real-world utility that will help attract a large number of users to their mobile applications that they provide. These users will be accompanied by an educational tutorial to understand the possibilities in this area. The Fixxfi app will be the access point for all upcoming services, and the focus is to create a user-friendly ecosystem that can meet the needs of even the most picky users through a simplistic user interface, UI, UX, allowing them to interact with the crypto world in a friendly and intuitive way, without the need for in-depth knowledge. This system is self-sustaining and will fuel its growth. In this way, Fixxfi will act as a gateway between off-chain and on-chain. They have their own token that will be available on the app. The Fix token is a deflationary asset with a maximum cap of 1 billion Fix, which is expected to fall radically over time through strategic burns. Fixxfi provides a payment system that offers the ability to pay with cryptocurrencies in the mobile app, thus allowing customers to pay with Fixxfi's native tokens and receive a discount on their repair bill. Or they can pay with other popular cryptocurrencies, such as eGold or Bitcoin. Like any great project, you will have the opportunity to earn rewards from staking coins, where you can get a very good APR, especially in yield farming, that allows users who provide liquidity to earn fixed rewards by depositing LP tokens into a smart contract, with the ability to withdraw them at any time. The incentive is to balance the risk of impermanent loss that comes along with locking your liquidity on MyR DEX, thus giving users the possibility to create passive income. Each farm pool has its own APR, depending on the amount of LP tokens, reward multipliers, and present market price of Fix. APRs can also be maximized by compounding earnings. Fix token is a valuable and rare asset, like gold, that will appreciate in value due to its link to a company's real-world earning performance. Due to the maximum supply of tokens and the elimination of tokens in circulation, this will create a deflationary effect. Thanks to Fabio's experience in the repair sector, Fixxfi has decided this is the right sector to start with, as it carries a lack of split payment options. Fixxfi has done 9 months of market research involving more than 50 partners in the car repair sector in Torino, Italy, and facilitated loans worth 150,000 euros. This success confirmed to Fixxfi that there is a strong desire from customers to use an alternative payment solution that is easy to find at the point of repair. Also, car servicers saw the benefit of an integrated financing solution as a value-added and customer retention solution. Car services can often be very good at doing repair work, but struggle with how to market themselves as a business. This is a classic struggle for business owners, identifying the myth that just because you're technically good at a certain type of work doesn't necessarily mean you're ready for the marketing and strategy aspects of Web3 development, which is why Fixxfi comes to support these types of car servicers by bridging the gap between customer and service. In Europe, the automotive repair industry includes the maintenance and repair of cars and light trucks, and is estimated to be worth $700 billion annually. The industry is also expected to show little growth in the coming years. The auto repair industry is considered a prospect industry that will have an unlimited shelf life. This is why Fixxfi can be considered a future project that has the potential to prosper and provide additional income in the long term. Thank you for listening. Please tell us what you think about the Fixxfi project, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care of your money.